Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Carla Price and I'm coming to share with you another day in this beautiful field. I am sure that you all remember the first video that I made. Today we're going to be doing some harvesting and you're going to be able to see all the things that we're going to be harvesting from the field and other things. So stay tuned. Ready, Pastor Durant? Ready. This is my dad. He's also a pastor. Hello. Come. What are we going to be harvesting today? Let me switch the camera. What are we going to be harvesting today?
Plummy.
Some plummy tomatoes. Yes. Okay.
I sprayed them on Monday.
Why you sprayed them?
There were some flies coming onto them, and it made some of the insect and one that they call mirror grudgeful.
Is that the little green insect?
Yes, when it crawled on the fruit, it made them look watery when they are ripening.
Okay.
You would have to spray.
Oh.
So I sprayed Monday. And the chemical package, it's a chemical I call him by the name of Fersan. They say it's supposed to stay for 3 days, like 4 days.
Okay, just to make sure.
So I'm going to spray them now.
Well, you get the product from where? From Fersan? Okay. Alright, so it's harvesting time.
Harvesting.
Okay.
So I'm harvesting these.
And this is the first time visiting back the field from the last time.
Yes, so we are harvesting these plummy tomatoes now, see? And there are cucumbers here.
I remember this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember this one.
Right.
Yeah. And there's another one here too.
Yes. And these are all of these are ready.
Yeah, ready to
harvest.
be. Yeah. So you're gonna pick all of them?
No, just the turn, deep turn,
Yeah.
and ripe.
Okay.
Deep turn and ripe.
See the little marigold something there?
You see him?
Yes.
Where is?
The little culprit. See him there? I think he's on it still. See that's what you're talking about? Or that is not the one?
Yeah, probably this is a baby one.
That is a young one, man.
Yeah. These are the insects. You have to get rid of them from the farm.
Can I pick this one?
Yes, sure. Wow. And we're going to a next tree here.
But I will leave a ripe on this.
Wow, watch here. Beautifully.
Wow. Yeah, man, them nice.
These are ready to be harvested.
Yeah, nice.
Yes, I want to harvest them today, especially the rain.
Because it's about to rain right now.
The rain now, and I don't want the rain. Wow, this is the next.
This is a cantaloupe?
Yes, this is the next cantaloupe there.
Wow, and a good size cantaloupe too.
Yeah. And those more cucumbers there. We're gonna pick some more tomatoes. But here, wow.
They're pretty, man.
Lots of tomatoes, yes, harvesting these.
But looking at them, you can see them have some little discoloration.
Right.
I see them look?
Yeah, because the bugs probably go on them. Tomatoes is harvest now. They're ready.
These are beautiful.
Ready for the pot.
And you're not picking all of them now?
All the ripe ones.
Look at this one. Oh, got it.
All the ripe ones?
Yeah.
No, don't throw the ripe one. Just pick up the ripe one.
Oh. Okay. Oh, you throw them away far. Okay.
Wow, what at the tree?
Oh, wow, look at that. Jesus. God is good. Look at that.
Yeah. So one of the insects them here.
Let me see it, yes.
See what's the insect? Those are the things they love. They crawl on them. They love to crawl on them.
Okay, but this is a black one.
Yeah.
So that one caused the damage too?
I don't certain for that one, but I know the one they call him marigold. These wonderful. Watch these, man.
Yeah, they are beautiful. These are really nice.
Yeah.
Is that a truck down there?
Yeah, there's a truck coming from the river.
Oh, coming from the river.
Yeah.
We need to make a trip down to the river, Daddy.
But because the road seems so wet,
Mm-hmm.
it's giving a little problem. Wow. You have a problem.
Lovely.
Oh,
Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice.
There's
very
more
nice.
on this tree here. I didn't harvest from this.
Which one? Oh,
Harvesting this tree here.
and I think there's another one down there too.
This one gets spoiled here.
Mm-hmm. Can see
These.
it. That one look.
How
like it's
can I
spoiled.
miss these?
Yeah.
How can I miss these?
This is lovely, Daddy.
How can I miss these?
Look at that basket, people. Look at that. Look at that. That's about 2 dozen, isn't it?
Yes.
Nice.
So I'm harvesting all the ripe ones.
Yeah, and the turn ones too.
Turn, deeply turn.
There are some others around here. What about the salad? Do you have any salad?
Yes, dear. So
You're gonna harvest any salad today?
Yeah, we're gonna put this basket up here. And this basket right there. On the hill there.
Yeah. But look at the callaloo them ready?
These callaloo.
They're ready?
These callaloo ready. I cut from them already. You know?
Oh.
Look at the height of this.
Wow,
callaloo
that's
tree.
tall. Coming from all the way down there. Yeah.
You have to be careful when you're coming around this side.
Yeah.
All these callaloo will be harvested.
Look fat and nice. So we're going to the salad tree.
There's only one leaf on this tree here to be harvested.
Oh.
Wonderful. You're gonna harvest this one and these.
This is another salad tree or is a plummy tree?
Plummy.
This? Oh.
Wow, the water. See these marigold full.
I was about to say it. I wish I
these
would.
are
Look at them. Are them cause of damage?
Yeah, they crawl on them.
Oh, you see? Are you gone already?
Destroy. I'm throw those out the field.
So you're saying that the chemical that you spray on them, that would be able to get rid of them? Should be able to get rid of them?
Yeah, but the chemical is not just, it is for these, you know, for the worms. The worms that were eating the callaloo.
Oh,
So
and also the one that was affecting the tomato?
Yeah, but there's no worms in the callaloo again.
Okay.
And the callaloo should stay 3 days before you harvest them.
Oh, here's the marigold. We call it marigold full.
But I spray the callaloo and the tomato the same day.
Yeah.
It's from Monday.
Okay.
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
and today's Friday. So today would be the 4th day.
Right, so I just let it sit.
For extra day. Yeah. Wow, the rain is about to come though. See the dark cloud? It's about to rain.
Bird pepper that we were talking about?
Yes, hold on, let me come and get them.
Right, you know.
Yes, I remember these the last time.
These bird peppers.
Wow!
They begin to ripe. They started to ripe.
Yes.
A lot of bird peppers on these trees. What is callaloo tree? These callaloo need to have.
This one is tall.
You can get callaloo to take home.
I can get some to take home?
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah, man, I'd be happy. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is a melon tree? The melon something? Melon vine?
I started to harvest.
Ooh, the preschool. Whoa. Okay. Nice.
Last week, a couple of times on here. This is the finishing crop.
Okay.
What these?
So look here, so after you finish harvest the last crop from the tomato trees, they're gonna bear again?
No.
They're not gonna bear again?
No, these not gonna bear again.
Okay.
There will be probably just a few, but probably won't last because you can see the tree started to fade.
Oh.
So they just give us a few because we are getting a lot of rain now.
Yeah.
Rain gonna burn the trees.
Okay. I thought they would just bear again and again and again.
No, but probably you can't walk on the farm, watch it.
Oh, gee whiz.
Melon.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a good farm.
I did that?
Yes, Carla.
Oh, sure. I didn't even realize. I was so excited to see the bird peppers. Oh, no, but I tell mommy. Lord God. Alright, is there anything else you're going to be picking today?
No.
Nothing else?
No, not gonna reap anything more yes, actually.
Mm-hmm.
But I have to go and tie up this tomato.
Okay.
The weight of but this one guy we could have.
Which one? Turn on.
I could stay.
Yeah, I can see it a little bit. It looks green still. Oh, there's another cucumber up there, saying you see it?
Yeah. There are a lot more.
Oh.
But I have to go
Yeah.
and peel up here.
Yeah.
I will come back for it video. Already tied up. You have to use strings, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Bananas, planting string to tie them to the tree.
Oh,
this
to
one is
keep them
getting
up.
heavy, so.
Oh. What, the weight of the tomatoes on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God, one fall off.
One fall off. I'm taking it up.
So can you put this up? Can you put this up to ripe?
Yes, hopefully it will ripe. So I'm going to get some more strings.
Yeah, to hold it up.
Hold it to the tree.
So you planted that papaya tree?
No.
Okay. Here.
Papaya tree and swords.
Oh. That nice odd. Yeah, that's lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let me watch my step. I don't want to step on anything else I should not be stepping on.
These are pumpkin.
Look at that, my people. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so people, now we're going to be cutting banana leaf. We're going to be cutting some banana string to tie up a tomato tree because there are so many tomatoes on the tree. It got really, really heavy,
So
and so it's not able to hold itself up. So we're going to be.
And I'm going to use the planting, the bark on the planting tree to make it more strong.
So he's using the bark now from the planting tree to tie up the tomato tree. Show us, let me see. It's stronger. The bark from the plant tree is stronger than the banana.
Right.
Oh.
So you have to get it and wet it. Or if you use it in the early morning, where the dew already fall on it, it is more soft.
Okay.
You so it not easily break.
Okay. But the tomato tree looks so delicate though.
Yes.
It's very delicate, don't it? And weak.
No, it's not that weak, you know. You have to just angle it with caution because of the fruit and the blossom.
Okay, because you don't want to get them damaged.
You don't want to get them damaged.
Okay. So that would be, that's okay?
Yeah, these are little, some of those little insect language. See here?
Yeah, this black one. There's the black one and the green one. Do you know the name of this insect here?
No.
Okay. Oh, so you're tying another one?
Yeah,
oh, this one is weak too? To keep them up.
To keep them up. Especially now they are bearing from the bottom going up to the top.
Okay.
You see, this is where the first bunch bear.
Okay.
Second, third, fourth.
That's how they do
fifth.
it.
Yes.
Okay.
So for you to get good quality, most of the farm, I don't know if most of the farm, what it should be, it's a galvanized. They call it galvanized tomato.
Okay.
These. When the tomato trees come, you remove these. Remove these, you can stop here because what they did, they take all the nutrients from the tree. And you don't get enough for the tree.
Okay, so as you pick and go along, you just remove them.
Even before they start to bear, when they start to grow, you try to remove all those excess little things. But you have to know which one to move in, and you don't move the one that can't bear yet.
Okay.
They say that you got, alright, look at this one now.
Let me see.
This one haven't bear. Just started to blossom.
Yeah, this is a young one.
Started to blossom. This is what you're gonna remove. Why you remove this now? This is gonna come to our next branch up here.
Yeah.
You don't want to, because you're not talking about the amount of tomato that you want on the tree. You want to get not quantity, you want to get quality tomatoes.
Oh, quality tomatoes.
Yes, if you take out move some of these because thing here. Yes.
So they don't draw the nutrients.
They don't draw the nutrients from the tree.
Yeah.
But person that want a lot of tomatoes on the tree, they let all the branches grow on it. So all the branches will produce tomato.
Yeah.
So you don't want that.
You want quality,
You want
over
quality
quantity.
over quality.
Quality over quantity.
Yeah, quality over quantity. So you want big, nice,
juicy, sweet.
juicy,
Yeah.
sweet tomato.
Yeah.
So as soon as you're going through the field, you find that they are bringing up those little excess branches. Just remove it, so you're carbonizing.
Okay. I'm learning. I am learning.
So,
The truck coming up again.
yeah, the truck trying to make it uphill here. Especially before it started to rain.
Yeah, it's about to rain. So the rain started.
Because the road is mostly gravel and dirt.
Yeah.
It started to get slippery there.
Okay. So it makes it difficult for them to come over the hill. So people, look at that.
See, not gonna make it again.
Oh God, it's tough. See the black clouds. It's about to rain. Well, it is raining now, but just not heavy. So Dad, you're gonna cut my callaloo now? Okay, I'd really appreciate that. I love me some callaloo. Let me see. I've never seen callaloo cut before.
It's really cut. So what is it?
Yeah.
When you're cutting a callaloo,
Yes.
you don't cut it flat stick like this.
You don't cut it. Why?
No, you cut it.
Slant?
Look, yes, with the slant. That's when the rain falls.
Uh-huh.
The water will easily run down and don't soak.
True?
The crops, yeah.
Okay.
Please don't come around here.
I will not come a foot further. All right then. I don't want to cause any more damage.
See, some of these, I'm going to cut some of these in the collar. They are seeding, but they are still fresh.
Okay.
Good quality color still.
But them just look fat and nice though.
I didn't cut them from the other day. These ones are tended to start with the seed.
So I'm getting callaloo.
You know what I do?
Tell me. So I can't come. Alright, I'm not going to step on anything. I'm going to watch my step. Because I want to see what you're doing.
You know what I do? Some of the seeds in the callaloo, like the younger one like these.
The younger seeds?
Yeah. Don't let them reach this. These,
Yeah.
I still cut them in the callaloo, you know.
I do too.
Right.
Yeah.
So you will get extra nutrients from those.
From the seeds.
Yes.
I hear you. No,
Pot.
but I do too. I think I'm alone do that.
No, but that's seed.
Okay.
Put those seeds in the pot.
Extra nutrients.
Extra nutrients from your callaloo.
Lord of mercy. That tree that had the 5 corn on it, do you remember that tree you were showing me?
Yes.
That tree is oak. Oh, it looks so.
You know what happened to that corn tree with the 5 corn? Probably is only top one gonna produce, gonna get corn from it. All the rest, they seems to
Let them spoil?
false. They don't bear any corn in it.
They don't bear any corn. Like
No.
there's no corn on the
No
something.
corn on it.
For real?
Right.
Oh, you see.
So it's only these top one where I have corn. These didn't really mature, come up with corn in mature with the breed.
Okay.
So I recognize that is the truth. Yeah.
So you already picked the top one?
No.
Oh, you didn't
I
pick
don't
the
have this top one yet.
Okay. Oh, yeah, see.
And this is a bush here, you know. This next bush here.
Which bush is that?
This is for most young people don't know it now. Young baby mother don't know it now.
Yeah.
So when the baby is teething, they run to the pharmacy or to the doctor to ask the baby has teeth and the baby has gonna hurt. This bush, you call it Fasten pan coat.
What is the name? Fasten pan coat?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I say.
Fasten pan coat, you get the name because
Let me have a
these,
closer
if you let it go on your clothes,
Oh, it sticks on the clothes.
It sticks on your clothes, so
And
they
the
call it
material.
Fasten pan coat.
Oh, okay. And it's good, they said, for
Boy,
teething.
for teething, if you give your baby this before they start to teeth, they don't have
A lot of pain or
pain in the
fussiness
bum
and them something there.
Right.
Oh, okay. So you hear that, people?
Fasten
This
pan
is
coat.
called what? Fasten pan coat?
Yes.
And it's good like
Or
for
those young
babies who
mothers.
are teething and
That
so.
babies start to teeth
Alleviate
before
the
they
pain
start
and-
to alleviate pain, right?
Oh, okay. Nice. So do you have any more herb, any more bush here that, you know, have medicinal benefits and so?
This one here.
Hold on. Let me just come down close. Oh, you're going to show me another bush?
Yeah. For the
Where is
women that have pain in their belly.
Women
This
with
one,
pain.
Yes, this, they call it dog blood.
Okay.
I
This
don't
one is
know.
called dog blood?
Yes, I don't know if it have a next scientific name, but we normally just know it as dog blood. Yes.
Okay, and it's good for belly
Good
pain?
for belly pain for the ladies, belly pain, belly cramp pain and all those pain.
Okay, and it's dog blood.
Yes.
Now let me just make this clear, people. I am not here to diagnose or to give anything like that medically, but in Jamaica, well, all over, we use a lot of different herbs that help us with different ailments and all of those things. So I'm going to be showing you a few today. So we already saw this is the Fasten coat that we use for babies who are teething and are fussy, feeling pain. Now this is the dog blood. And they're saying that women use it when they're like having pains or cramps and all those things. Okay. Nice. What is the rich right here? Another dog blood tree?
Yes, it have a lot of red berries on it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right here. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay, so we're going to be looking at maybe one or two other bushes, but we're going to visit the starfruit tree, which I did the last time, but we're going to show you exactly why we call it starfruit. And you know the other name is jumbilin. Oh, this is our old, we call it fall coop? Yes.
This is one of the starfruit. Yes.
Or the jumbilin.
Or the jumbilin.
Yes.
But if you notice, I just cut this up here, cut this part here, cut off that.
Yeah.
Cut this one. What do you get from it?
You get a star. See there? Yeah, that's pretty. So that's why they call it star fruit. Yeah.
You find the star in it.
Yeah, man. And this tree, it have a lot, daddy.
Yeah,
look at that, man. What is it? It's a beautiful tree. So here we have the star fruit, and this one's sweet. Okay, so we're gonna be seeing another plant. You're taking me today? Turmeric plant?
Yes. This is
plant. Okay.
Yeah, they call it, what we call it, sit here, turmeric. That's how you harvest it. Take it up by a tree. This is one.
Oh, this is what we call turmeric. Yes. Okay. What is it used for though? Because I hear a lot of people talking some good things about this turmeric.
Alright, they say it kills cancer cell.
It kills cancer cell?
Yeah, that's what they say. And what we know, original, we use it as curry.
Okay.
Put in the coconut rundown.
Yes, and it gives a nice color, don't it?
Nice color.
Yeah.
Beautiful
flavor. Yes.
Flavor in it. When you put it in the coconut rundown, man, you can taste like it's a herb, natural herb.
Oh my
natural
God.
thing.
Jesus.
So
it looks like ginger.
They call it Tumeric. The original name for it is Tumeric. But you know, we as Jamaican already, we have it a next name. We just call it red ginger.
Red ginger?
Because it's from the ginger family.
Family, right. Because it looks like ginger.
So.
But it has a different color.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Turmeric.
So this is the turmeric?
Yeah.
Or red ginger as we call it?
As we call it.
Okay.
You want that video?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you. Whee! Yeah. Okay, so that was the turmeric. So now you're going to show me what? Kwaku?
Yeah.
I remember that bush. Well, it's getting really dark in the middle of the day. So this is the kwaku?
Yes, kwaku.
And tell me what we use it for.
Used in the water when you're bathing small babies.
When you're bathing babies.
These mothers nowadays, they are moving so fast, they don't have the time for it. So I write early in the morning what my mom used to do, and my grandmother. They put the baby bath out in the sun, and they get this.
And
rub it up, you see, give a green water from it, and make the water turn green and it smells sweet. And they put it in the water and bathe the baby with it.
Okay.
Make the skin clean.
True.
And pretty, yes.
No soap?
No soap.
Just the kwaku and the water?
Just the kwaku water and just bathe the baby, and if they have rash on them, this kwaku also remove it.
Oh, yes, okay. So the Bible is right. We have all the herbs for the healing of the nation.
Yes, kwaku.
Okay.
So you can use. Smell it, you can smell
Smell it. Okay.
Baby smell fresh and nice out of the water. That is kwaku.
Okay. Nice. Stop. Yes, so this is another one too?
Yes, this one can use put in the, if you are making roots.
What is the name of this? This is strongback?
Strongback, this is.
I've heard about this strongback bush.
Yes.
Okay, so you put it like in roots, tonic?
You're making roots, yes, you put it in it.
Okay. You have a lot of these around here? The strongback?
Yes, you can get it.
Okay.
And this one is, this, why they call it spirit
Hold on,
weed?
this is another one over here. This is what?
This spirit weed.
Why do they call it spirit weed?
Good for boiled tea. I don't know why they get the name spirit weed. But the name is the spirit weed.
This one right here?
Yes.
Okay. Spirit weed and it's used to boil tea?
Yeah. This white one here
Yes.
If you get cut or have sores, you know, the first time you have sores on the foot, that hard to give it, they call it Madam Feet.
Oh, yeah. Madam Feet.
Yes, you can use to dress.
To dress with cotton, so.
Wound, yes, Madam Feet.
And it worked?
And it works.
Wow, nice. Okay. I remember this plant when you were younger. What is the name of this? We used to call it go to school, which was so weird. Because you shake it and then look at something fly out.
Oh, okay.
We used to call it go to school.
We used to call it Old Woman Head.
Old woman head?
Yes, she white.
Oh, because it white. Like grey hair.
Old Woman Head.
Oh, God.
That's Nunu, but you don't know.
Oh, that's mommy. Mommy, where is it?
No,
Oh, that is
Nunu.
Nunu?
It's a tea bush. It's almost like a nut. That's one.
Which one?
This one, Nunu.
Oh, this is Nunu.
Yes.
Use it to boil tea?
Boiled tea. It's like a mint.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, this is the same Fasten pan coat?
Yes.
Oh.
And this is the next mint. This one is the next mint. You can use for tea and you can put it also in soup. What's the name of this one?
This a French time?
French thyme.
Oh.
Yes, it's French thyme that put in soup.
Yeah, no, mommy used to
And you can
soup all the
use it to
time.
make tea.
Yeah.
This is the next
It's
mint.
pretty. The leaves are pretty.
Yeah, this is the next
I like the
mint.
shape.
This is the next mint again.
Another mint.
Yeah.
What is this one used for?
Put in tea.
Okay.
And this is dandelion.
Oh.
They say
Another tea bush?
Next tea bush. No, it's gonna grow in a pot.
Hold this on me, please. This is dandelion.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's a tree with dandelion, you know. This is what you use from it. The seeds.
To do what? To boil tea?
No.
Oh.
You put these seeds in a little mortar.
Put
Or
the
if you
seeds
have
in a mortar?
Or if you have a little grinder that can grind it and use it as coffee.
For real?
Yes, they're good for stoppage of urine.
This is what? This is a Fasten pan coat, right?
Dandelion.
Sorry, this is dandelion. And they use and they use the
it for
seeds.
stoppage of urine.
Okay.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, keep the blood. This is dandelion.
So you say beat it in a mortar?
Yes, or if you have a small electrical grinder,
Yeah,
you can put it in it, but you have to parch it a little. Put it in the fire, put it in a pot like you parch coffee or chocolate to give it that smell.
Oh.
Right.
And then you boil it as tea?
And it is more better for you to get it ground.
Okay.
When it is parched a little. Yeah, but you don't make it parch too long. It will burn.
Okay.
You don't want to get that burnt taste in it.
Right.
Then you use it.
Right. Okay.
Dandelion.
What is mommy saying? Where's the mommy? In order to... Sugar. Hold on.
This one now.
I've heard a lot about Guinean weed.
This one is Guinean weed.
This is the Guinean weed?
Yes, it's the Guinean weed.
Yes.
What Guinean weed used for, it is for cold.
Use it for
sinus.
cold? Okay.
What you do, you can get it, dry it up. A lot of health benefit.
Yeah.
But normally if you have sinus and cold in your head cold,
yes,
you put it you dry it up by the root with everything, and you put it in a bottle. Like a glass bottle.
Yes.
You can put pimento seed on it. Pour white rum on it. And make it stay there.
Yeah.
For a while.
A piece of ganja can go with it too?
Yes,
piece of cannabis?
You can use a piece of cannabis, put in it.
So you having it?
And it is good for cold.
Okay.
Remove that cold, or if you get wet by the rain, accidentally your body is what you hot and you catch a draft.
Yes.
You can use that rub your body, but it carry high smell anyhow, you know.
Okay.
The Guinean weed. Yes,
the Guinean weed?
Yes, it carry high smell, so most person don't want to use it, but it is good. So inhale, put it in the bottle, shake it, inhale it.
Oh. Okay, so those are some of the benefits.
These are
some of the benefits of the
but there are more
Guinean
benefits.
There are more.
For the Guinean weed.
Okay. Oh, it's an anti-cancer bush to mommy? Okay, so mommy is saying it's an anti-cancer bush also?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Guinean weed.
Guinean weed. Yeah, I need to go and read up some more about the Guinean weed. That's good. Okay. Daddy, what is this tree here?
This is a soursop tree. It started to bear, you know.
I'm not sure if I can even zoom up so far.
There's a small soursop there. Can see it?
Soursop. I can hardly see it.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
So this is a soursop tree?
Yes, and it is good for cancer. It have
anti-cancer
properties in it.
Okay.
And you can also use if you can't sleep. You know,
like if you have nerves
problem, you can use it.
Oh.
Boil it with probably 2 finger young banana.
So you hold on, you boil this with 2 fingers of young banana.
Young banana.
Yeah.
Boil it and drink it.
For real?
Calm your nerves, keep your nerves.
Okay.
You can get good rest.
Wow. That's amazing.
Soursop. And it also make a wonderful juice. Soursop juice.
Well, I know about the soursop
juice.
juice. Yes.
Many persons use it, just juice it, squeeze a green lime in it, good to go.
Oh.
But I love it with my milk.
I know. I know you do.
I love it.
Oh my God, the rain is coming. Come, come. The rain is
down.
coming. The rain is coming down.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, everyone. So that is a wrap on today's video. I sure hope that you have learned something. I hope that you enjoyed the video. And please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. All right. So take care now. Bye.